Well, hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix lag and slowing problem in your Google Chrome browser. So all what you have to do is very easy and simple, so please keep watching until the end. First thing you have to do is go to the top corner on your browser. You will find three dots right here, and then scroll down and you will find more tools option. All what you have to do here is click on clear browsing data like this and choose all time, and then make sure to check those options right here and click clear data. And after that, go back again, click here, scroll down until you find settings, click on it and go right here to the system option and disable the hardware acceleration right here, and then click relaunch. And after that, all what you have to do is now restart your computer or your laptop, and everything is gonna be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later in the next tutorial video.